For the third time in as many days, the Japan Air Self-Defense Force has sent fighter jets out to monitor drones belonging to China's People's Liberation Army flying in the East China Sea and the Miyako Strait, which lies southwest of the island of Okinawa. These intercepts underscore the Chinese military's growing unmanned aircraft capabilities, as well as the strategic significance of this body of water, which is one of a number of maritime passages linking the East China Sea to the Philippine Sea and the broader western Pacific Ocean. This recent flurry of activity began on August 24, 2021, when a lone Tengoan TB-001 Scorpion medium-altitude, long-endurance, male, drone flew into the East China Sea northwest of Okinawa. A single People's Liberation Army, PLA, Harbin BZK-005 male drone then flew a sortie back and forth through the Miyako Strait yesterday. Today, another TB-001 conducted a similar flight through the Miyako Strait. In all three cases, the JASDF scrambled fighters to investigate the Chinese drone's activities. On both August 25 and August 26, one Shaanxi Y-8Q maritime patrol plane and one Shaanxi Y-9JB electronic intelligence aircraft accompanied the drones on their flights, according to Japanese officials. The JASDF did not report any other PLA aerial activity related to the TB-001 sortie on August 24. BZK-005 series drones are primarily long-range intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) platforms, and the original design was reportedly capable of flying continuously for up to 40 hours at a time. The standard BZK-005, which was first unveiled in 2006, has a single pusher propeller, a pair of swept main wings, and a twin boom tail configuration. The PLA did also unveil an armed variant, with a revised center fuselage, known as the BZK-005C, in 2018. The main sensor system seen on most BZK-005 variants is a turret under the nose of a type that typically contains a mix of electro-optical and infrared full-motion video cameras. Pictures emerged last year of another version of this drone, called the BZK-005E, with a radar system under the nose instead and the electro-optical turret relocated to its lower central fuselage area. Pictures that the JASDF released of the BZK-005 flying through the Miyako Strait this week show this more recent configuration, with the radome under its nose and an under-fuselage optics turret. The BZK-005 is capable of beyond line-of-sight operations via satellite control and can be configured to be multi-intelligence gathering platforms. The TB-001 Scorpion is also a long-endurance drone with a twin boom tail, but is substantially different in its overall design from the BZK-005. The larger Scorpion, which was the first unmanned aircraft to come out of Tengoan, a company that was only established in 2016, has a pair of engines, each driving a single propeller, one on either side of its central fuselage under its straight, high-mounted main wing.